Well, welcome back. Airbags. So I just kind of assembled these late last night. One, I don't like the finish on them. It's powder coated finish, but I don't like it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna powder coat all this shit. I found some torsion bars and a used cross member keys, the whole shebang on eBay from a wrecking yard. So I've got that coming. Once that gets here, I'm gonna powder coat those. So I'll powder coat that stuff. And you'll probably get to see me start cutting these fucking torsion bars off. Fully expecting to have to replace the lower control arms because I think that's part of the problem. I think if we cut these torsion bars out, that piece is still gonna be stuck in there, but we'll find out. Worst case, we end up with some OEM ones or some Moogs line kit. I do want to do a stainless line kit. I don't want to run this plastic line. I want to do a compressor and a tank setup. We'll see if I end up just running line out the back or if I just run it to the spare tire well, because if I get a compressor setup, it'll be one that utilizes that hanger. We had our new torsion bars show up and our cross member. Well, new to me. They're used. We're gonna be cutting off the old torsion bars. So that's what we're doing. So they're locked in key for sure. Yeah, great. That's not reassuring. That is on the ground, kind of. So I need to jack this up a little bit. And I might, if I'm lucky, I'll be able to move this. Okay, one side down. Time to do the driver's side. Oh, apparently I forgot to hit record. That's fucking cool. So, got this side cut. Driver's side's done. Passenger side's done. Cross member's free. So, I'm going to yeet that out of here. Next task at hand will be attempting to remove these from the lower control arms. This is unsprung already, and it ain't budging.
Three days later.
Oh, I got it. Oh. Holy shit. Oh, that's relieving. Now if I get the other one off, I won't have to buy new control arms. So for my reference, the back of the torsion bar has the direction on it and the front has the part number.
I have an 8-pounder hammer with a short handle. If you want it.
Try it. Bing bong! Ding time! Oh.
That doesn't do it.
That one had stuff falling out. Like I could tell I might be getting somewhere.
Right. me?
No.
You trying to drive it forward?
Yeah, that way.
Did they move?
They won't go out backwards, or?
No, you're supposed to pop them out that way and then bring them out this way. At this point, we can take it out either direction.
Oh, okay. I was just curious.
This way is just, I can get the biggest swing out of it.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true.
There is stuff starting to flake off of it, though. I don't know.
I have a jackhammer in the truck, and I think I might have a broken bit. You could probably try to get on it.
An electric one?
Yeah.
Like a roto hammer?
It's just made for jackhammering into concrete.
It might be a little more oomphy than a roto hammer. I've tried an air hammer on it.
Oh no, this will hit hard.
Let me try it.
Let's see if I got it in the truck. You might be able to plug it in. The only problem is I don't know if I have that broken piece. But if I don't, then I don't think I have anything small. I might have something.
Well, I can break another piece for you.
I bet you could. Give me a break.
I don't think this fucker's even budging. No. And that does hit it pretty hard.
Hit it again. Let's tap it around, see if it.
I think that rust is getting broken up.
Might just take a couple days of coil and
Soaking and
Moving.
beating it and soaking and beating it.
It's been in there since 2006.
Yeah. In Canada.
Hey.
See all that rust coming out? That's what makes me think we're making progress here. Done. Oh. Shee. I wonder why it was stuck. Oh, it's not too bad. Oh God, I'm losing my balance. I wasn't rusty. What? Out with the old, in with the new. Such is life. Get to clean these bad boys up. I'm gonna wire wheel them. Try to de-rust them. So first things first, I'm just gonna take a file, kind of a shitty file, and just see what I can get out of here. Just loose shit. Now I'm gonna spray some PB in there. Just let that sit. Hopefully that'll kind of break up that rust a little bit. I don't have a steel brush, but I got a brass brush. So now I'm just gonna clean it as best I can. Oh God, it's pitted so bad. I've been scrubbing, descaling. This is the driver's side. It's pitted like a mofo. Looking inside here, but the rust is gone. So that one's ready. And there's the passenger side. Pitted, but the rust is out of there. Lots of brushing. Lots of brushing. Well, got everything back from powder coat. Almost everything. The fuel cooler is still there. Or the fuel cooler bracket's still there. Actually, I just dropped it off when I picked this stuff up. Sway bar. Chartreuse. Sway bar brackets. Fresh black. And then our torsion bars. And our keys. And then these are sway bar brackets. This cross member. Whoops. This cross member, which is looking brand spanking new. I'm gonna hang this cross member, and then we're gonna get the torsion bars in, get this bitch put back together. Got the cross member done, and goddamn, it looks fresh, dude. So fresh. So now I'm gonna start shuttling the torsion bars up here, and we're gonna get the torsion bars in. I did realize that my torsion bar, the key retainer nuts, the like oblong half moon looking things. I did not get those back from Powder, so I think they might still have them. Not a big deal. I'm going back down there probably Monday or Tuesday to pick up that fuel cooler, so I'll snag those then. I can still get these in the keys and get the keys in the cross member, blah, blah, blah. We'll go ahead and get that done. Oh, I'm an idiot. That one's upside down. Ew. It's like, this doesn't feel right. This is how they should feel. When you loosen your torsion bars, they should jiggle. Once they're not under torsion. So I'll put the retaining nuts in for the keys once I get them. They go in here. There she is. Here's the end link before cleaning. Here's an end link after cleaning. We're gonna paint these, freshen them up. And here is an end link after a fresh coat of paint. Ended up deciding I wanted some fresh hardware for the sway bar and end links. So Boz and I are en route to the hardware store. We also got ourselves some fresh sway bar bushings for our fresh brackets. When you end up with powder coat, chartreuse all over your carry piece. I spent way too much time fighting the sway bar because of shitty sockets. Let me explain. About 8 years ago, Craftsman was having a sale on these multi-head capable sockets. So I was like, well, that would be useful. The problem is, on a 5-point bolt, they fucking suck. And what happens, and this has happened throughout this entire build, they're not as tight as they should be, and they just, well, round off a bolt. So this was a brand new bolt. I put in sway bar bracket, and it knocked the corners off them. So I had to run to the hardware store, get new ones, because that ain't gonna fly. We got the sway bar on. When I'm ready to replace all my sockets, which I'm getting there, I'm missing quite a few 1/2-inch sockets. And I'm missing quite a few very useful 3/8 drive deep sockets. Boxo, here I come, baby. If you see this, I'm coming for you. Well, Sam and I decided we're gonna go to the beach. So you guys are gonna get a quick intermission from working on the truck to just some B-roll footage of an Oregon coastal trip. Enjoy.
Newborn day and that still warm glow. Life's in long lost times ago. Close my eyes so I can see the light. Time stands still while the sun goes round. Distant winds making silent sound.
Oh dear. Is that horseradish?
Oh yeah, it is. I really want you to take
Brother.
a look at the dog. Oh yeah, get in there. Fuck me up, daddy. Baptize it. Ooh, caught it.
yeah. Is that good, Pezzy?
So good. Holy fuck. Yeah. Oh, strong as ball.
Feel my moment and breathe it in. Search for skies that begin and end. Close my eyes so I can't see the light. So let it shine, 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 shine on me. Let it shine, 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 shine on me. So let it shine, 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 shine on me. Let it shine, 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 shine on me. Yeah, let it shine, 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 shine on me. Let it shine, 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 shine on me.
Alright, now back to work. We got airbag parts back from Powder Coat. They look amazing. So I got those installed. The fuel cooler bracket, dealy bob, shroud, whatever you want to call it. Now it's time to torque everything down, which we're doing tomorrow. My buddy Dave's going to come over and help me do that. By the way, if you're looking for torque specs for these trucks, I found out if you go to dmaxstore.com, then they have like an info tab, and you go down, there's like Duramax info. They have a list of all the torque specs for damn near every bolt on these trucks. Awesome resource to find, because trying to look each one up individually or spend, you know, $400, $600, $800 on a service manual. And DMAX Store has everything in one place. So that's amazing. DMAX Store, thank you for that. Alright guys, I decided not to record us torquing all the bolts because that's pretty boring. Marked everything. It was, I mean, that little bolt, red dot, 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 everything. So yeah, everything's torqued. I'm gonna do a really rough kind of straighten out the wheel so it'll roll a little better, but other than that, she's ready to go back to the shop and start getting the heart and soul put in. That's gonna do it for this episode. Next one, you know, I'm not really sure. I'm gonna stay tuned. I don't know when it'll be. I don't know what it'll consist of. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Do whatever you want to do. I don't care. See you guys later.